it's your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, it's always drama in the club. Now that I roll with Trey, everybody show me love. When you sell like them and them, you get plenty of groupie love. Look, homie, ain't nothing changed. Rolls down, cheese up. I see exhibit in the cutting, man. Roll them trees up. Watch how I move, you mistake before I play up here. Been hit with a few shells, but I don't walk with a limp. In the hood, in the lady saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, for sure, they tell you I'm local. The plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still in the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girl from Wooded, they buying, they ready to go on the club. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. Bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough.
Yeah, ayy, yeah. Lame niggas never get a pass. Gutter hitters, we ain't even had to do the dash. Sliding with the same old nigga, use a lame old nigga, use a shame old nigga, get a bag. Get the money up for you even talk about it. Set them shits down, bitches getting hella rotted. Money all around, I ain't even feel it crowded. I got bitches who be kissing while I'm busting up a body. Made that thing go boom, made that thing go clap. Trapping out the band and we ain't even go to school. Cause the same old fools with the same old tools, with the same old rules. Ran it up and made a rap for my teacher too. We did it, had her run her through the back. In the bathroom, she a teacher, but she had no class. Big bad stats, that pocket looking so fat. Yeah. If your shawty look my way, I hit them. Ay, tell them I need it again. Tell all these niggas we really not friends. Tell all these bitches I'm getting them bands. My money love me and keep coming in. Man, I seen a change of heart on niggas when I came up. Mama too good cause she keep a nigga prayed up. That ain't really here, but I find it okay, bro. Pull up in the range, yeah, niggas won't say nothing, damn. Let me see that rollie one more time. I just wanna live my fucking life. I might just go fuck her for the fun of it. I might just go bust her, she was on my dick. Then I got lit, she was on me like yeah. Off of that bitch like yeah. We was on zits like yeah. That bitch won't fuck me, yeah. That bitch won't get it on. That bitch gon' fuck me long. That bitch ain't doing no wrong.
I said be careful when I stick it in and bitch gon' fall in love with this shit. My squad so underground when I bust it down like a band of misfits. Wait for the jump. Wait for the cash to the first of the month. Like a burst of the gun, like I'm bursting a nut on a bitch in the front. I'ma sink when I want. I said don't lie to me, your brain feeling out. I brought the whole club down to their knees like I'm their guard. Mama told me don't play around unless you take another man. So This ain't no couple shit, so please tell your dude to stay home. Ice more water than a Patrick. All y'all living under rocks like you Patrick. Me and Prissy, please getting slept on like a mattress. She told me she in love, she the world's greatest actress. Bitch, I sell a brick to the homies all gratis. If you ain't up, go back, get practice. Everybody make a real money that I fuck with. Trapping to a teacher, bitch, I'm off campus. Girl, I would love to trade in so damn day, but you never did shit and I'm always getting paid. I don't give a fuck what the DJ play, cause in 5 years time I'm on every front page. So when I'm on a top game, better make me come, cause if not, I'ma take my damn mind and run. Nigga, try to take me down, still hit and one, cause they give you anything when you rich and dance on.
Let me see that rollie one more time. I just wanna live my fucking life. I might just go fuck her for the fun of it. I might just go bust her, she was on my dick. Then I got lit, she was on me like yeah. Off of that bitch like yeah. We was on zits like yeah. That bitch won't fuck me yeah. That bitch won't get it on. That bitch gon' fuck me long. That bitch ain't doing no wrong.
Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only just begun. Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only just begun. Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only just begun. Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only.
I graduated magna cum laude. What does that mean? I'm still stuck paying Sally Mae the next 16 years of my life. And is it me, or does that not seem right? See, I just wanna go back to playing tag and riding my bike. Damn life, now could you tell me, when'd you get so hard? I remember my biggest worry were my Pokemon cards. I put a lemonade stand right at the edge of my yard. That seems so far, but now I hear there may be life on Mars. Yeah, and it seems like just yesterday Jill was at my house saying, can Mark come out to play? Now we're both done with school, I guess the real world on its way. It's crazy how we go through life and take for granted each day. But hey, things change, and people change, and that's just a part of life. Don't believe it'll stay the same. Love with everything you got and don't anticipate the pain, because the day is the date. Your whole world could just change.
Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only just begun. Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only just begun. Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only just begun. Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only just begun.
Look how much can change in a year. You gain love, you lose love, you go and outdo your peers. And never being relevant, I think's my #1 fear. So when I leave this earth, I hope you all remember me here. I'm screaming, fuck it, I'm young, cause I'm drunk. And when I'm drinking, I pretend like I just give no fucks. You see, I rarely drink for stress, got my cup filled up, puke on my lunch, and now the only way I look is dumb. Yeah. Since when does alcohol equal happiness? Know a couple people started drinking, ain't been happy since when we were just kids. We would never need a substance, used to love to party, now I realize that don't mean shit. Fake friends and girls change like nickels and dimes. This girl is telling you she loves you, then changing her mind. Just make your every moment precious, because soon you will find you're buying clothes, cars, and diamonds, but you can't buy time.
Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only just begun. Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only just begun. Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only just begun. Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only just begun. Don't tell me your youth is running out. It's only just begun. Don't tell me your youth is running out.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch in pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. I'll always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you're found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control, then don't just take it, eh? You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss